What's up, guys? My name is Chetang, and today I'm going to explore Pune's one of the most unbelievable places. It's massive, peaceful, and beyond your expectation. So, let's go. Located in Loni, Kalbhor, Pune, this is the World Peace Dome, spread across over 3,000 square meters and standing at about 263 feet tall. It's one of the world's largest domes, built to unite science, spirituality, and humanity under one roof. As I step into the premises, the calmness instantly takes over. The architecture is grand but peaceful. Wide pathways, open lawns, and silence that actually feels good after the city noise. As you step further, a beautiful sight greets you. A grand bell with the sacred Om resting gracefully on the top. This is called the path of enlightened souls. Each statue here, from scientists to saints, represent a different path to truth. It's amazing how science and spirituality stand side by side here. This entire vision belongs to Professor Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad, founder of MIT World Peace University. He dreamt of a place where knowledge and peace could walk hand in hand. As I walk up these steps, I see inspiring quotes written on each one, words from great minds that guide you towards peace and knowledge. And as you reach the top, these tall minars stand quietly at each corner, a symbol of strength, balance, and faith guarding this place of peace. At the entrance of the hall of prayer, the sacred Om sits at the center, surrounded by symbols of all religions, showing unity in the most visual way possible. Above, the inner dome carries the sine wave of life, a reminder of balance in every high and low we go through. All around, statues of saints, philosophers, and spiritual masters stand gracefully. From Gautam Buddha to Swami Vivekananda, Jnaneshwar to Tukaram, each one silently inspiring peace and wisdom. As you walk around, you will see more statues of great thinkers, scientists, and reformers, people who change the world through their actions, not just their words. Well, I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video. The place is open for visitors from 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening. Also, this place is usually quiet and peaceful on weekdays, but it can be a bit crowded on weekends. So you can make the plans accordingly. Just beside the dome stands one of the world's largest libraries, a temple of knowledge with books across every subject imaginable. Right at the entrance, the statue of Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj welcomes you, symbolizing eternal wisdom guarding this ocean of knowledge. Inside, the walls are filled with portraits and writings, lessons from great minds that remind you that true wisdom never ages. As you walk through the corridors, you will notice huge statues at every corner, a quiet reminder that knowledge is never alone here. Next is the Dhyan Kendra and Mana Shanti Kendra, peaceful spaces made for meditation and mental calmness. As you step out of the Dhyan Kendra, you will find grand statues of the Pandavas, Draupadi, and their loyal dog walking on the path to heaven. Then comes the Srimad Bhagavad Gita Gyan Bhavan, a place dedicated to the timeless message of Sri Krishna. Inside, the famous moment of Lord Sri Krishna guiding Arjuna on the battlefield is beautifully sculpted, a reminder that clarity comes only when the mind is calm. Standing there, it's hard not to fold your hands in respect. This place naturally brings out that feeling. Books from nearly every religion placed here, a true representation of unity in diversity. If you're someone who loves peaceful spots to unwind and clear your mind from stress, I would highly recommend this place to you guys. With that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel for more journeys like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.